Martin was founded in 1951, resulting from the vision of Joe Martin Sr. Its manufacturing facility in Arlington, Texas also serves as the corporate headquarters today. The company's core philosophy is quite simple: make quality products, have plenty of them available, and make it easy for customers to do business with them. Martin opened its first regional manufacturing facility in Atlanta, Georgia in 1957 to support growing demand in the Southeast. As the next generation of Martin leadership transitioned in 1961, Joe R. Martin Jr. began to lead the company. This included broadening the stock product offering and enhancing manufacturing capabilities to include sintered steel in 1966. By 1973, Martin had opened its 10th manufacturing plant in the U.S. With the acquisition of Fort Worth Steel in 1984, Martin dramatically increased its domestic production capacity. Martin's first international expansion began in Canada and was followed by a second international location in Mexico. In 1993, Martin continued the family legacy of leadership as Gary C. Martin became president. The company solidified its worldwide presence with an expansion into China in 1997, which not only created opportunities in the European market, but allowed Martin to become a world-class leader in the industrial marketplace. Joe Reed Martin III became president in 2008 and led Martin in its acquisition of the conveyor pulley division in North Carolina. More recently, the company expanded into the South American market with a location in Brazil in 2010. Martin continues to grow with 38 strategically placed facilities worldwide, making Martin the leader in its promise of quality, service, and inventory that customers continue to rely on.